Hello everyone, welcome back. For this next video, we're going to check out Google Chrome and figure out how to set those startup pages. So first things first, open up Google Chrome. And anytime you're wanting to make changes to your browser, you'll want to find the settings. 9 times out of 10, the settings are located in a 3-lined or 3-dot menu in the upper right hand corner. And when you are searching through this menu, you want to either look for options or settings. So let's go on to settings. And here is where you'll want to make sure you manage anything and everything you want your browser to do for you. So you'll notice there are different sections. There's you and Google, there's autofill. Believe it or not, Google Chrome saves your passwords for you. You can go in and manage those. There's a safety check. You can look at appearance or set Google as your default browser. But what we want is what we want it to do when it starts up. So we're going to click on startup. And here we have the options for Google to either open the new tab page, continue where we left off. So if we had closed and we had some tabs open, it'll reopen those for us. Or we can have it open to a specific page or set of pages. So what I want to do is, depending on what you want, you will just click the toggle and it'll change your option and give you any extra information if there's something you need to fill out. So I want to go ahead and add a new page because I want to pick which page opens up specifically when I open Google Chrome. So that could be, I want it to go straight to Google if it doesn't already. I can add another page and say I want it to go to MSN. Or I can add another page and make it open up to, let's say, Home Depot. So it can pretty much be anything and everything that you use most often. There's also the 3 dots for more options. So if you were like, maybe I don't really want it to go to Home Depot, for instance, you just click the 3 dots and do remove. So let's see what it did. So let's close it. We're gonna open it back up. And now it opens straight to Google, but you'll also notice my other tab opens straight to MSN. So that's how you do it. Now, if you wanted to change what it does when it opens to a new tab, you're going to revisit the 3 dots, go to settings, and up here you can type new tab to utilize the search. It might not have any option to let you open a new tab to anything, because when we typed in new tab, it doesn't let us choose. So we could just search by tab and see what comes up, and that's the only place. So with Google, it looks like Google Chrome, it looks like you can only change what happens on startup, not what happens when you select a new tab. It looks like it'll just open up straight to Google. And there you have it. If you have any questions about Google Chrome, please throw them in the comments. If you want to see a more in-depth view of the settings, please let me know and I can get that recorded. All right, have a good day.